Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this After Effect very common problem. The catch preview need two more frames to playback. So this is the error that I got actually yesterday and take a screenshot. And so what you're going to do is just click on the OK. And the very first thing, like if you play, it's not play. So the very first thing is go to save your project, close your project, restart the After Effect. Simple. That's the first solution, guys. So restart the After Effect. Let me restart. As you can see, my problem is gone. If I play this, it's play without any problem. So this is the first solution. The next is go to the Edit, Preferences, Media Disk Cache, and clear this thing. Empty and empty. Now go to the memory and make sure you select the minimum. If I select 1 GB, it's not 2, not. The minimum is 3 gigabytes. I have 32 gigabytes selected. After Effects selected and select as minimum. So this click OK. This is the next solution. As you can see, it's play without any problem. The next solution is go to the Edit, Purge, All Memory and Disk Cache. Click on this. Click OK. And now go again, Purge and All Cache. And there we go. Once you clear this, as you can see when I play this, it's play without any problem. So that's the another solution. The next solution is go to the composition setting. Make sure your composition is more than 10 seconds. Like I have 2 minutes, so it's not a problem. Make sure your composition is more than like 10 seconds. So that's the problem. The next main problem is make sure that you didn't, select the in or out point. Make sure it's more than 3 seconds. So look at that. I select just 1 frames, which less than a second. So make sure it's more than 3 seconds. So that's maybe facing the problem. So this is the most, why this error come because of this. This is the very big problem. So make sure to increase the selection size, like 3 seconds, more than 3 seconds. I need the full project. So I'm just fix this, as you can see, and it's play without any problem. So that's the another solution. And make sure to keep in mind, if you have less than 3 seconds, it will give you this problem. So make sure it's more than 3 seconds, the in and out selection. As you can see, it's playing without problem. The next solution and the last solution is make new compositions. Just new composition and name whatever you want. Just move all your things to the new composition. As you can see, I move it, and let me move the background as well, and copy, paste it, drag and drop. As you can see, it's, that's the last solution. So these are the solution. If you face this problem, try this and make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much.